How to change voice on Audible. Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can change voice on Audible. Now, the question is, can you actually change voice on Audible? The answer is no. You cannot change the voice on narrator for most Audible books on Audible. The narrator is chosen by the author and publisher to best suit the style and book of and mood of the book. All right, so you cannot. So, for example, now listen to an audio book. You go to your library, the bottom navigation bar, and on the library's page, select the book that you like to listen to. Then open up the player controls. And so once you're on the player controls page, you can check out all of the controls here. You can see speed, you can see car mode, you can see timer, you can see clip. And by moving to the top part of the screen, by clicking on the three vertical dots, you can also see different options concerning the application, concerning the audiobook, sorry. But as you can see, you cannot see the option for you to change voice. This is because for this particular book is not available, and for most books on Audible it is not available. You cannot change the voice. All right, you can just perhaps adjust the narration speed, all right, by moving to the bottom part of the screen on the player controls page where you can see speed, or you can just check for multiple editions. All right, maybe there's another edition of the book with a different voice. You can check it out. And also, if you've already purchased the book and you don't like the narrator, you can return the book and use the credit to purchase another edition with a different narrator. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.